So I'm taking you guys along with me in nature this evening before I get ready and start my no phone vacation. Super excited. This is beautiful. I want you guys to see behind me. Everyone always asks me, like, how do you find these places? And honestly, it's from going walking. I used to live over here in this area, so I just never forgot about it. It's so beautiful. Look at those roots. We are rooted, okay? I literally spot every and anything. So I'm gonna get up here and kind of get you guys a little view of the roots a little more. And be careful as much as I can because I'm getting up higher. So I'm gonna put my foot there. All right. So as you can see, the roots on this tree are amazingly beautiful. Super old tree, I can tell. I'm not a scientist, but I love it. All right, so we're gonna go back down here and film. Okay, that ain't probably right there. All right, we're down